every day you talk yourself out of your own life. You tell yourself, I can't, I'm not ready, it's too much, maybe tomorrow. And that voice is the reason you are still stuck. Listen, the biggest enemy is not out there. It's not the economy, not your past, not your boss, not your parents. It's the voice inside your head, the one that convinces you to stop, to quit, to shrink. And here's the brutal truth. That voice is lying to you. It's not protecting you, it's robbing you. Every time you listen, you abandon yourself. You kill your own momentum. You bury your dreams alive. I know the struggle. I lived it too. Like you, I have a vision, big dreams, high standards. And every single day, it's hard. Sweat, blood, tears, doubt, fear, exhaustion. Here's the truth. Finding the sweet spot between comfort and overload is one of the hardest parts. Too little pressure and you stagnate. Too much and you burn out. But most people never even get close to that sweet spot. Because the moment it hurts, the moment feels uncomfortable, they stop. And here's the dangerous part. The excuses we give ourselves in those moments, they are not obvious. They are clever. They are dressed up as logic. I need a break. This is unhealthy. It shouldn't be this hard. They sound right. They sound reasonable. People nod their heads. They understand. They even support it. But the truth? Most of the time, it's not wisdom. It's not balance. It's fear in disguise. It's escape. It's your ego, your doubt, your pain, trying to protect you from growth by keeping you small. And when we share our struggle with people we love, they try to protect us too. They say, slow down, take it easy. Don't be so hard on yourself. And it comes from love. But if you listen, your dreams die. Because what really destroys us is not being hard on ourselves. What destroys us is living a life below our values. A life beneath our potential. A life far away from the vision burning inside us. And tell me, who on earth is aiming for a life that is just okay? That's not why you are here. That's not why you are alive. That voice, the one that tells you to quit, it sounds safe. But safe is not safe. Safe kills your fire. Every time you say, I can't, you chain yourself. Every time you whisper, later, you bury your future. Be honest, how many times have you already killed your own dreams with your own words? How many times did you talk yourself down before the world even had the chance to stop you? That's not protection. That's self-sabotage. But here's the truth. That voice isn't you. It's programming, fear, labels, old wounds, pretending to be your voice. And the moment you realize, this is not me, you break the spell. Because the real you, the one behind the noise, is capable of more than you ever dared to believe. That's the you who fights, The you that creates. That's the you the world is waiting for. That's the you that doesn't accept your excuses anymore. So how do you deal with this struggle? How do you stop talking yourself down and start walking forward? Here's what you can do. 1. Catch it. Right in the moment, the second you hear the voice whisper, I can't. It's too much. I should stop. Don't let it slide. Call it out. 2. Interrupt. Interrupt it in your body. Break the pattern with movement. Clench your teeth. Make a fist. Tap your chest. Clap your hands. Choose a physical move and make it your signal. Train your nervous system to recognize this is the moment when I wake up. 3. Expose the excuse. Right after this video, grab your notebook or just a piece of paper and write it down. Clear it out of the shadows. Ask yourself, where am I lying to myself? What are my best disguised excuses? What could I demand more of myself? Who should I stop complaining to because they can't see my vision? And how can I explain to the people I love that the struggle isn't the problem, it's the path? You can come back to the question, write it down and see what's inside you. 4. Flip it. Replace the lie with truth. Write down what is real. I can. I choose. I act. The struggle is proof I'm on the right path. Write it down. Write down what you are capable of. Whatever your true self knows, put it on paper. Because here's the reality. If you're not hard on yourself, life will be. And believe me, that's a life you don't want. Imagine what happens when that voice no longer runs your life. When instead of quitting, you keep going. Instead of shrinking, you rise. Instead of talking yourself down, you speak yourself up. That's when your power returns. That's when your vision becomes real. That's when you finally step into who you were born to be. If you're ready to take your life to the next level, comment right now. Let's unlock what we have got. Comment, let's unlock what we have got. You will always have two voices inside you. One that chains you and one that frees you. Every moment you choose which one wins. So stop letting the weak voice decide your destiny. Stand up, interrupt it, flip it, and speak yourself into the life you deserve. So here's my challenge for you. What's one phrase your inner voice keeps telling you? What's you're ready to break today? Comment it below. Declare it. Because the moment you expose it, you take its power away. And the moment you replace it, you create a new story. And if this video helped you or gave you something valuable, share it with a friend. Share it with someone you care about. Someone you know needs to hear this today. Break the voice, own your mind, own your life. See you in the next one.